3 teachers at Christ Academy bring their skills to the table every day for these 3 and 4-year-olds. And when you first walk in the classroom, it doesn't take long to see these teachers know what they're doing.
We have structure, yet within that there's fun and there's play going on because they learn best that way.
And these kids are proof the plan is working.
B, good.
Early childhood has a curriculum for language arts, science, and math, and I was blown away by all 3.
They're very age appropriate, very hands-on, play, fun, yet they really learn.
The science curriculum is all about the Quirkles who live in Quirksville, and in every story, they help teach kids a concept like friction.
We read a children's story that's the Quirkles experiencing friction, and then we do an experiment with friction, and they get it. It's amazing to watch them because I know they're little, but they love doing that, and they love the experiments.
But the top favorite?
It's when the volcano explodes.
The language arts curriculum is all about the dig letter people.
Put a J on it because I start with J.
You do because you're Jack?
The family of puppets each have their own story, too. And they help the kids learn their letters and lots of new words.
Yeah, and we also learn our letters so we can learn how to read.
The curriculum we use in math for our EC4 is actually kindergarten level. And our kids, they love it. They learn so much and absorb so much. It's amazing to watch them.
That's right, Charlotte. Now go right like this, Charlotte. Like you're up here.
I did it!
Another big focus is making sure kids not only know their numbers and letters, like Gabby showed us.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
But are also able to write them. But these curriculums, they're not always taught in a traditional way. Lots of learning styles are utilized in their classroom, like small groups and centers, all giving students a chance to create, experiment, and learn on their own. And instead of a row of desks, you'll find flexible seating, allowing kids to wobble, rock, bounce, lean, or even stand while in class. Teachers say flexible seating also helps keep young minds more alert and focused. Lots of different tools and opportunities all in place with the end goal of preparing each child for kindergarten.
We want them to come to our program and experience those curriculums, but also school readiness, so that when they do go to kindergarten, they've got those skills in place.